Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quinn here, and today I have a haul for you all. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these stickers. I purchased the Ray and Tay minimal binders or discbound sticker storage, and I purchased 3 of those so that I can put gold, rose gold, and silver. And then also at the same time I ordered the $2 Tuesday. Let me zoom in. So I picked up the bench in black, picked it up in gold, silver, and rose gold. I'm really hoping that I can pull these into my memory playing with me's, as well as use the black one in my Hobonichi A6. And then I also picked up the mini bird twigs, and I picked it up in gold. This will be cute to pull in for Easter spread. Silver and rose gold. I also picked up the floral brick texture, picked up one in black to use in my hobo, and then the classic gold, silver, and the rose gold. And then I got the city scene. I picked that up in gold, silver, and rose gold. I don't know why I felt like I picked this up in black. I felt like I picked it up in black. I'll have to check, because that would be really cute. And then I put Tay in the notes to seller to pick up the freebie. This is like fall freebie. I think they're about to be updated, but this is the one that I got, so I'll put that in like my freebie stash. Next, I have an order from Meg B Makes, and I actually showed this on my Instagram story. So I picked up the floral vine washi in all 3 colors. I think this is really beautiful to add in that bottom washi section. I think that's so good. I picked it up in the classic. There it is in rose gold, and then here it is in the traditional gold. So really pretty, love that. I also picked up #MomLife, you already know. So I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up the Hello Months just in black, because I'll foil them myself. I just need to pick up rose gold, a different rose gold, because I don't like the rose gold that I have for foiling. So depending on like what foil I'm using for that month, I'll cut it out and then I'll foil it. That's normally how I do it, just to save some money. I picked up the small months. It says 4 script, small months 4 script. I picked them up in the classic, so here it is in gold, silver. They're so cute and so like dainty, but they're not the daintiest. Like, I feel like they're small, but they're also like medium, so I like that. And then here it is in rose gold. I also picked up the abbreviated scripts 6, and you get 4 sets on here. There it is in gold, rose gold, and silver. I love the tail on these. And then for the freebie, we got 3. Got this in rose gold. I think this probably was like the Valentine's Day stuff. And then this is from her, I think it's the sub that she has. I love that. I can use this in my my Moterm, my A5. That's cute. Next is my inserts so that I can finally start using my A6 rings. I've been using it, but not the way that I want to use it. You all know that I decoratively plan in there sometimes, as well as like do like cutesy planning in there as well. Oh, that's just my receipt. Okay, that's my receipt. So I picked up H195. These are the weekly week on 4 pages, and it's the grid. She doesn't have this in the shop as a printable, so I did go ahead and purchase it. So you get your this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it just continues on. I love the script. Like if you don't want to use a header, the script looks very nice. So yeah, I picked that up. And then this is like a little freebie. Thank you for your order. Got some measurements so on both sides. Stay light, stay bright. Oh, and this was also from Meg B Makes. I already started using them, but this is also from Meg B Makes, the date dots too. We have Monk&Marple. I've been eyeballing this shop for a little while now, and it's a super cute shop. And here is what I picked up. This is the freebie. This is a really cute freebie. You get like everything on here. Some dot clusters, some florals, butterflies, hearts, dividers. So cute. Got the florals down here. Some dividers, some scallop dividers here. Get some scallop dividers. So cute. So that's the freebie. And it's in rose gold. So I picked up the days of the week number 3 in this simple, looks like Times New Roman font, just like the simple font. Love that for journaling as well as putting it in my memory, playing with me's. I would love to see like just the abbreviated ones in the shop as well. I would grab some of those. And I picked these up in the classic colors. Next is the date dots. These are Kiss Cut, and I picked those up in the classic. Here it is in gold, silver, and rose gold. And then this, you can actually cut those out, or not cut them out. You can actually use those as well. You can use everything on the sheets that she gave you. So these are cut out corners. Love that. This is cut out. Everything is cut out and you can use them. That's really good. And then I picked up shades of coral. This one is all the things. Looks like that. You can use all this up here too. Okay, these are boxes. You get boxes, you get some ovals, and then what else is on here? Rectangle. Get the rectangles, and then some corners, cut corners, circles with the florals, and then circles without the floral, just like the floral on one side of it. So yeah, I love this sheet. Really cute sheet of florals. And then on this one, I got the same. These are just a little bit larger. And these you get like your date toppers. And then, yeah, all of these are actually cut. It looks like, yeah. It says trims. So all of these are trims. Love that. I also did a Amazon order. I picked up these cute little vintage looking scissors. I was gonna say stickers, but I picked up these vintage looking scissors, and they're like super sharp, and they come with a little cover. I thought I would show these because they're like really cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like floral details. So cute. I also picked up my B6 notebook, my B6 stalogy, but I have yet to use it. I don't know if I'm going to use it this year or if I'll just save it for next year, because right now I'm using notebooks in my B6 planner. I also picked up the retro Tombow dual brush pens. These were on sale, and you get 062 933 817 873 845 665 555 403 373 and 126. And I guess I can go ahead and swatch them really fast. This one is 933 817 it's a pretty pink. 873, and I think this will be really good. 845, like a red. 665, that's really pretty. That looks like my nail color. So cute. This is 555. That's pretty. It looks very royal. 403, like a more so of a baby blue. Then this looks like a teal. This is 373. You can't really tell on camera, I don't think, but there is a little bit of a difference, slight difference. Then we get this yellow. This is 062, very light yellow. And then green. This is like the main reason I got this, because I wanted to use this in my March setup in my B6. This is 126. The next shop is WillowWayStickers. She was having a sale as well on her kits, because I think she's getting ready to do some updates. She included a couple of freebies, some die cuts. This sunflower, like cheetah print, has some pink in it. And then it said, this says, if it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. Yes, definitely. I love this. This is the all orders freebie. You get some scripts and some icons. So I picked up the desk. I thought these were going to be smaller. I think I looked at them and I saw them and I was like, oh, these would be cute. I don't know why I thought they were smaller when they're only 12 on the sheet. So they're really big desk icons, but I can use them. I was going to get something to kind of show you the size of them. I'm just going to use this freebie because the columns are 1.5. So let's see if they fit. So yeah, they fit. I can still use them in here. That was the main reason I got them anyways, to use them in here. And then I also picked up a couple of scripts. I love her scripts. I love how many she gives you. So this is new release day. I can use this for my PR, and then for when I PR, and then I can also use this for like any other shop that's doing a new release to make sure I go check out the new release. I got clean office. I need to do that right now. I picked up the date dots. These are kiss cut, and I got this in black. And then I got tidy up, and then clean bedroom, which I did that last night, so I can use that, and then clean litter box for Mr. Tails. We can clean his litter box. Write it down. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.